Here's my secret to calm, hydrated, and perfectly balanced skin in just a few spritz. Spoiler alert, it's super easy. Say goodbye to complicated routines and hello to this DIY facial toner recipe that's both effective and oh so simple to make. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Today we'll be making this DIY balanced facial toner that's perfect for keeping your skin calm, hydrated, and glowing. It's simple, effective, and completely customizable. This recipe is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve beautifully balanced skin without the fuss. Before we jump into this recipe, I want you to know that we at Simply Earth are totally obsessed with making natural DIY products easy and fun. When you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, we send you all the key ingredients that you need for this recipe right to your doorstep. No hunting down supplies, just DIY magic. Oh, and did we mention the free big bonus box? Yup, it's all yours when you subscribe. Or if you're feeling extra crafty, you can grab everything you need at simplyearth.com. Did you know many store-bought facial toners are packed with harsh chemicals that can dry out your skin or cause irritation? Yikes. But don't worry, this DIY recipe has your back. Say goodbye to mysterious ingredients and hello to a toner that you can feel great about using. So turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make this balanced facial toner together. From your box, you will need 2 teaspoons of witch hazel. This helps to tighten pores. From your home, you will need 2 teaspoons of distilled water. This will help hydrate and won't leave behind any residue. 2 teaspoons of hydrosol, which is optional. This helps to balance the skin and hydrates. 5 drops of GeoGuard ECT preservative. This helps your recipe last longer. You will also need a 1-ounce spray bottle and a funnel. Combine the witch hazel, distilled water, and hydrosol in a 1-ounce bottle. If you're not using hydrosol, replace it with another 2 teaspoons of distilled water. Slowly add the GeoGuard ECT preservative drop by drop while swirling the mixture. To use, mist onto the skin after cleansing. Follow up with a face cream or a serum. Don't forget to add a label to your masterpiece. Wow, this feels so refreshing, like a cool breeze on your skin. You can make this too. When you create this recipe, take a picture and show it off with #IMadeThis. Don't forget to tag From Simply Earth for your chance to win a $5 gift card and a shout out on our social media. Let's see your masterpieces. Love easy natural DIYs? Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box and start creating magic at home. If you enjoyed this video, stick around for more fun DIY recipes that are coming up on your screen. Don't miss out.